Hello, everyone. My name is Dhruv Mohan. I'm the manager recruitment for South and Southeast Asia at York University School of Continuing Studies. I would be at the admissions fair being organized by Canam consultants in the month of September. If you want to know more about our full-time postgrad certificate programs in the area of business or technology, then please feel free to connect with me in person in the hotels where this event is being organized, or virtually in room number 33 between 7th and 18th of September on a date and time convenient for you. I look forward to seeing you either in person or virtually, and look forward to this event being organized by our key partners, Canam Consultant. See you soon.